Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessory strap unboxing. It is just a regular strap, but I got it from my multi-pochette. If you have seen my other videos, I have it in this pretty pink, which this one came with my multi-pochette, which it also came with this little coin purse that you attached right there. And I did buy the green one as well, but I bought this one off a reseller separate. I will link below the videos when I unboxed them. So this is the strap. So I got it in black. I'm super excited to see how it's gonna look. So like always, these are just the receipts, and this is the box. Really cute. My favorite part, when it comes with the ribbon. All right, so let's unbox this. So this is just like a little card if you're gonna gift it, which I'm gonna gift it to myself. So, oh, it looks like it came kind of open. Okay, let's see. Probably the mail, it kind of came out of the bag. Okay, so let's get it out of the bag. So this is the strap in black, as you guys can see. Louis Vuitton, the little thing where I told you guys where you can put the coin purse and that. So it's in a really dark black. So look, this is one color, the black one. This is the pink, and this is in the green. As you can see, the pink has like a brown. This is just black and like a maybe like a lighter black, and then the same thing on this one. Okay, so let me move these to the side, and it should come with, I'm super excited. Okay, I've been wanting to add a reverse monogram to my collection for a while, and I don't own any reverse monogram. So as you can see, this is just the regular coin purse that has a hook. So they don't sell these separate with the hook. This one obviously came with the strap, and you can buy the strap separate. Like I bought this one in the pink and the khaki, but the only reason I got them in my set, and when I got this strap, I bought it off a reseller brand new. Reason was I didn't want to have two coin purses, so that's why I did it. But in this case, I bought it because super excited of this. It's the reverse monogram. I'm super excited about this. My first reverse monogram piece. I've been wanting to, I don't know if you guys have seen that video that I posted of why I returned my mini Palm Springs in reverse, but now I'm kind of getting second thoughts, and I'm thinking about getting it, or if I should get the pochette Matisse in the reverse monogram, which I do own the pink pochette Matisse, so I'm not sure if I should get it. So give me your advice if I should get it or not, or which one I should get. This is the zipper, and the inside is black, and this one's made in France. As you can see, this one was made, I think, in the US. I want to say, yeah, it says made in Paris, but it was made in the US. As you can see right here, you probably can't see, but on the side, this was made in the US. So I've heard that there's a difference between them, when they're made in France and when they're made in the US. They look pretty much similar, the same. So really cute. And there you guys have it. Well, this is my unboxing of my strap and my pochette strap with my little coin purse. If you guys like unboxings like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.